Do you want to grow and achieve 100 times success in just 1 year? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Vision Planner, a revolutionary planner that will help you apply the 10X mantra to grow your career, business, income, and life 10 times better than today. 10X mantra will help you achieve a 10X growth strategy that explodes your career and business to the top. The 10X concept originated in Silicon Valley during the dot-com boom back in early 1999 to 2000, among investors and venture capitalists during the rise of internet technology, to describe engineers and entrepreneurs who are 10 times as productive and capable of growing their startup venture 10 times in just a few years. Small businesses like yours can easily apply the 10X mantra, a step-by-step 10X growth strategy using Vision Planner every 90 days. What does 10X mean? 10X means to maximize and expand your results 10 times over, rather than just by 10% or even 100%. Can anyone make an increase in sales, get more leads, and create better results by 10%? I don't think so. How to achieve the 10X growth using the Vision Planner? You can apply the 10X mantra to any area of your life. In order to be super successful, you need to set targets that are 10 times bigger than what you believe you can achieve. By applying the 10X mantra, you'll take your original goal and multiply it by 10, which will result in the 10X vision. Achieving the 10X growth using Vision Planner is a 4-stage process that starts from a dream and leads to burning desire, vision, plan, and action. The 10X mantra has 10 components and is built on 3 key points. 1. 10X vision. Dream big and think big long term. You should set targets for yourself that are 10 times greater than what you believe you can achieve. 2. 10X plan. Create a comprehensive plan by setting big, hairy, and audacious goals. Number 3. 10X action. Take massive action that are 10 times greater than what you believe is necessary to achieve your vision and goals. The biggest mistake most people make in life is not setting goals and having a big vision that will motivate them to perform and do better. Even if they do, they never take massive action. Any vision without action is dream, and any action without vision is like a nightmare. Your mindset, vision, and productivity gives you 100 times success in a year. Who is this planner for? The Vision Planner is designed for everyone that has big dreams and desires. A planner designed for visionaries of all ages, working professionals and employees of a large company or firm who want to earn 10X income must use this planner. Inspiring the people you manage and becoming a visionary leader is the dream of any top executive. The Vision Planner helps you achieve exactly that. Whether you're a veteran entrepreneur or an amateur solopreneur, wanting to grow and scale 10X in a year is a main goal for every entrepreneur. The Vision Planner is the perfect tool to both guide and hold accountability in your 10X growth. The Vision Planner is ideal for every startup to set department-level goals, targets for their teams, and to enable all employees to become successful and be accountable for end results. Why is the Vision Planner unique? The Vision Planner is so unique and powerful if you follow our step-by-step guidance very carefully. It's designed primarily for visionaries who have big dreams and massive goals in life. Our research team has designed this planner using the 4 powerful laws and principles that govern growth and success. The planner is designed based on the 10 laws of attraction, the law of belief, the law of decision-making, the law of manifestation, the law of magnetism, and so on. Hence, by applying the 10 components of 10X mantra, you'll learn and master the 10X mantra. Applying it, you will achieve 10X productivity and 10X income, which is equal to 100X success. So, what are you waiting for? Visit www.thevisionplanner.org to download your copy instantly. www.visionplanaction.com